Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go glitch. So let's get into the video. So if you have some glitches or issues with your Monopoly Go, the first thing that you can do is always go to your Play Store and then look for your any updates for your Monopoly Go. Search for Monopoly Go, and if there is any update, just update your app. That might fix most of the issues. So that's as your first way of troubleshooting. So once that's done, then what you can do apart from that, you can go to your settings here. So open up your settings and then go to your apps. Okay, so go to your apps and then go for your Monopoly Go, because you can get into our Monopoly Go app settings. So open up your app settings for Monopoly Go, and then once you are here, so what you're going to do here, a few things that we can try. Scroll down and go to storage. So when you get to storage option here, try to clear your cache. So not clear data, it's clear cache. So click on clear cache. Okay, so clear that, and then what you can do, you can also come back and then do a force stop. So on below right tab here, so there's a force stop option here. Click on force stop, you can do that. And then what you can do, go to your battery option here and then click on optimize battery usage. That's another thing that you can do. And then what you can also do is scroll down, hit on the defaults, click on make sure that open supported links is selected, so that links will be open. So open supported links, make sure that's checked or selected. And then finally go to your permission tab here and make sure permissions are allowed, and see all these settings. Try playing around with these settings and see if that fixes issues. It should. And also if you are restarting, or if you are reinstalled your app, then try to do a restart your device as well. So hopefully this should fix all any glitches if you have. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.